How to deactivate or delete an Instagram account. In today's video, I will guide you through all the steps, just make sure to watch till the end. First of all, open up your Instagram app. Then go to Profile by tapping here in the bottom right corner. Then tap on these three lines here. Press Account Center. Go to Manage Accounts. Tap on Manage. Deactivation or deletion. If you want to deactivate your account, then you will select this first option. Deactivating your account is temporary, and it means your profile will be hidden on Instagram until you reactivate it through Accounts Center or by logging into your Instagram account. Or want to delete permanently, then we'll select this second option, Delete Account. Deleting your account is permanent. When you delete your Instagram account, your profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, and followers will be permanently removed. If you'd just like to take a break, you can temporarily deactivate your account. For now, we are deactivating our account, so I will choose this first option and we'll press on Continue. Press Continue. Enter your Instagram password. Press Continue and your account will be deactivated. That's it, guys. Found helpful? Then leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching.